So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing fail to load connect to Steam error code 5 in your Marvel Rivals, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys you can watch this video till end and follow the steps, and if you guys new on my channel you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, the quick fixes are here. First, restart Steam and your PC. Fully exit Steam via Task Manager, then restart your computer and relaunch Steam. Many users report this resolves the error. Number 2. Run Steam as administrator. Right click the Steam shortcut .exe, select run as administrator. This resolves permission related connection issues. Now the third is verify game file integrity in Steam library and Marble Rivals and properties and install files. Then verify integrity of game files. This fixes corruption and often resolves connection failures. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Try these fixes and it will help you. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.